eyebrows with no brows. It's this brow tattoo peel gel thing. I don't know. I saw it on TikTok shop and went and get it. So I have the gel sitting on. I also put it on my lips so I don't have to like line my lips for the next few days. That's supposed to last for up to 3 to 5 days. So I'm putting it to the test while I finish up my makeup. It's been on for about 5 minutes. They say leave it on anywhere from 20 to 2 hours. So I'll probably leave it on for like 40 minutes. I got places to go. It doesn't look too bad. Hello transformation. In today's video we're going to do a TikTok viral makeup hack. This is the eyebrow gel peel, and this I have in the color number 2. So I'm so excited. And before we get started, if you guys it's your first time, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing transformation, beauty hacks, makeup hacks, and lip combos. Oh, let's get into it. Okay, I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, look at it. Look, it's all messed up too. So this is the Tattoo Eyebrow Gel Easy Peel Off. So this is like a dark brown. So you can tell this is messy. So I already have my eyebrows how I want them. So I kind of drew them on. So I'm scared. I'm scared. So I'm going to go ahead and apply. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. And it's supposed to it's supposed to last up to 3 to 5 days as the content creator said. So I'm nervous, you guys. I'm so nervous. I want to see if this hack really works. So as you guys can see, I have applied it on my eyebrows. I'm trying to make sure I'm covering it. Guys, what y'all think so far? So this is the tattoo, this is not tattoo, so let's okay, we're gonna do this side. So nervous. So I gotta see what time it is. So it's 10:13. I gotta wait an hour. It is kind of sticky, like, but this I think this is like a black to brown color, or mostly a dark brown. So okay. We just gotta wait to the end of the results. And I did purchase this from TikTok. I think they had on sale. I think it was $9 or $10 because I did buy 3. I have number 1, number 2, and I think it was like 3 or 4. But I want to try number 2. And of course I gave it to my mommy. Hi mommy. So she's trying one. So we're gonna see how this really works. So you're gonna wait for 20 minutes to an hour for this to process. So let me line this back up for you guys.
So I feel like the best technique if you want that perfect brow is to sketch out your brows first before putting this on. I wouldn't just put it on because you want your eyebrows to look magnificent and look really good. So I think this would be a great process. Hold on, because I am a fanatic with my brows. If I see something out of place, it bothers me. So okay, I think now okay, so we're gonna let this sit on for, I'm gonna let it sit on for an hour, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. And we're gonna see if it works. And I hope you guys did enjoy it. So once again, I have it in a color number 2. This is the box. And it does tell you the steps of applying. So it lasts to 3 to 5 days. Easy peel off tattoo, all right? So I'll be back in an hour. Okay, we're back. And let's see. Okay. Alright guys, what y'all think? It's cute. I just wish I could have got in there a little bit more. But I think it's okay. Looks more natural. I didn't want to stay on too long, so I let it stay on probably about 30 minutes. Probably should have stayed a little bit longer, but I was scared. But I think this looks good. I didn't want it to be too much, but I still wanted to look more natural in what my regular brows. So what you guys think? And it did good towards the end, and it looks very natural. Comment down below, where are your thoughts about this specific trend? This is the tattoo eyebrow gel from TikTok, and it lasts up to 3 to 5 days. So we'll see how long it lasts, but it does peel off. So you guys saw I peeled it off. So far I like it. It looks very natural. It's not too dark. It's not too light. It's right in the middle. So I love it. And I hope you guys do love it. If this is just your first time again here, please don't forget to subscribe to my platform if you want to see more TikTok makeup hacks or looks that's trending at the moment. Subscribe to your girl, Modest Transformation. And again, I have it in the color number 2, which is like a dark brown. I did order the set. It came in 3, and I just chose number 2. So we'll see later what other colors we will try, and I will see you guys. And I love you. See you guys very soon. See you in the next one.